Alright, well, got it broken apart now. I've been diagnosing. Looks like the misfire is on yay cylinder here at idle. So I got the carb apart and I'm checking everything out. My float looks fine. I'm going to take out my pilot jet, or my primary jet here, and see if it's clogged. I don't think it would be. After that, I'm going to get it back together, see if it's still misfiring, and if it is, I'm going to pull the spark plug and see what's up. So, alright, so took out the primary jet, and I blew through it. It seemed like it had a clog, so I've got it in some carb cleaner, and a couple moths have already flown in. But got this bad boy. Always keep a spare. Now these primary jets, if you can see there, if it'll focus, it's got one less hole in it than the old one. So I haven't been running them, but for the sake of getting her on the road and seeing what that does overnight. Oh, can't forget the new back tire. Woo! Oh yeah.